How to use the London Underground maps. Travelling through the maze of London Underground train stations can be challenging, but the London Underground maps come in handy. The Underground map lists the train routes, the direction, the zone, and all other necessary information about travelling on the London Underground. The first London Underground map, or tube map, was designed by Harry Beck in 1931. Many of the ones we use today are known as journey planners, and they have detailed information about the various modes of rail transport in London. Understanding how to read maps is easy. The lines are color-coded to represent a train route. There are different colors for underground lines, overground lines, and Docklands Light Railways, DLR. Some routes are coded with multiple colors, which indicates that there are more train lines running the same route. The London Underground is divided into 9 zones, and this indicates the pricing arrangement for the zone you are travelling to. There are altogether 11 lines, and the price is different depending on the zone you are travelling to. You can check the Underground map to see which zone you are in or are travelling to. Zones 1 and 2 are located in central London. This is where most of the tourist attractions are found. Zone 9 is the furthest from the city, it's on the outskirts of London. The Circle line on the map runs a loop around central London. This is useful if you miss your station, you can hop on the Circle line to connect you to your train line. King's Cross St Pancras is a major hub, it is next to Pancras Station, where you can board the Eurostar to mainland Europe. Euston Station serves as a hub for underground, overground, and other trains that travel to destinations such as Scotland, Wales, and Manchester, to name a few. Victoria Station is one of the busiest train stations. There are overground trains and service bus passengers from Victoria Coach Station. Most train stations provide free underground maps. There are also maps plastered all over the train stations and on the trains. The names of the train routes are written on the walls to help you find your way around the train station. For the train routes that have connections, the map indicates the station where you can change trains. The name of the destination is printed boldly on the wall at each platform entrance to let you know where the train is going. Not only do you get free maps at the station, but you can also download the Underground map and save it on your phone. TfL has an app for the London Underground map, which you can download for both Android and iOS. Link below. Traveling on the Underground is one of the best ways to travel in London. The Underground map guides you on where to go and how quickly to get to your destination, and selecting the right zone saves you some cash. Please subscribe, share, like. Thank you. If you have any questions about web hosting or web design, please feel free to contact us. We design websites for small businesses and startups. For free consultations and quotes, please click on the link below.